Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to tap on the other wireless connections, scroll down and tap on the printing. Here we got the default print service, so let's enter. And right now our smartphone is looking for the printer, and in our office we can find this printer. It connects automatically to our smartphone. And right now if you want to print something, you have to go for that thing that you want to print. In my case I will pick up this picture, and if you got the picture you have to click to send and select default print service. Click allow. Let's make it out one more time. There was some kind of bug. And right now all you have to do is just to tap on the print icon in the right upper corner. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.